Hi guys, Ben here at Cult Motorcycles. Here we have another 1998 R1 4XV. Really clean bike. We sold this bike 2 years ago and it's now back with us. Only a few hundred miles extra on the clock, in the same condition that it went out last time. Back with us to be sold again. So yeah, really clean example. Genuine 98, all original panels, all original decals. So even got the original screen on it. Now it's done a few miles, this one. It's now on 29,187. However, to look at it, you'd never guess it. I've got one myself of these with much lower mileage, but the condition of this is very similar. It really is in fantastic condition. A couple of tiny little spiders just where the decal sort of dries out over time and has split. For the paintwork, there's no dings or dents. Seats all really nice and clean. Really clean in the shock area. Casings are all good. The frame's all really good. Original exhaust. A few little tiny marks on the extremities, but overall nice and clean. Wheel paint front and back, both really nice and clean. It's got the original uncut mudguard. Swing arm nice and clean. Again, decal on this side, just where it's sort of dried over time, just split. Paintwork and decals on this side. Again, all original, really clean. Oops. Engine's really sweet on this. There we have it. Yeah, really nice example. Good service history, that'll be detailed in the advert. Like I say, done a few miles, but looking at it, you wouldn't believe it. Any questions or queries, feel free to give us a shout. Thanks for watching.